Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete t-shirt on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing first, to do that you have to go to your browser and type in roblox.com and get signed in, and you have to make sure that you have enabled the desktop site. Once you have done that, you're going to go back and you're going to go to the create a section of the Roblox, and here you will land. So let me guide you through the option. We will be back over here. And once it's the desktop site, we're going to go ahead, tap on this create option right over here, and then it will direct us to this page. And from over here you gotta tap on this experiences. Then from the experiences, go ahead, switch to avatar items and go to the classic. In the classic section, you can tap on this clothes, and here you will see the classic t-shirt, and you will find your classic t-shirt which you have created and added over here. If you want to delete it, go ahead, tap on the classic t-shirt of your that you have over there, and then you can simply select it and go ahead, delete the particular selected t-shirt right over there, and that is basically it. That's how it works. Hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.